Hello, I'm Ekaterina Kharseeva, a UX researcher at Markswebb, a UX intelligence and consulting firm. We help digital products make evidence-based decisions and deliver better experiences faster. Welcome back to our series on UX problem classification. At Markswebb, we have classified the most common UX problems that digital services face. Today, we will dive into an important UX topic when users don't understand what the service wants from them. In our UX problem classification, it's class number 5. More specifically, we will be exploring subclass 5.1, when the service displayed a notification that doesn't make it clear what happened or whether any action is required. System notifications serve as a communication bridge between the service and the user. Their core function is to inform users about the state of the system in response to their actions, system events, or background processes, and to do so in a timely, clear, and actionable way. However, it's a UX problem if a notification appears, but the user doesn't understand what it means, what caused it, or whether they need to do something. This breaks the feedback loop between the user and the system. Such unclear system messages often appear in account-related scenarios, including login, sign-up, or plan changes. Let me show you what this looks like in practice with an example from international neobank Revolut. Imagine situation during the registration of a new user. The app shows an error message saying, "We are sorry, something has gone wrong. Please try later," which appears right after SMS verification. The Revolut app fails to specify the source of the error, whether it's related to the SMS verification step or the overall process, and provides no actionable guidance on what exactly the user should do next. This leaves the user in a state of uncertainty and frustration. They don't know if they should reattempt verification, wait for an unspecified time, or restart the entire registration process. In contrast, let's look at the best practice from OpenTalk, an English-speaking practice app that matches users for audio and video conversations. OpenTalk app sets a strong example in delivering clear and user-friendly error messages. When a payment fails, the app uses a bold red cross, a simple and universally recognized symbol, to instantly convey the issue. The note reassures users by explaining what happens if a payment is taken by mistake. It will be refunded automatically within 3 to 4 business days. The error message also lists support contacts, so people know how to get help quickly. This lowers stress and builds trust in the service. Now, let's talk about how can digital services set clear expectations about required actions. First, make sure each notification is contextual and relevant to the user's current screen and task. Secondly, use plain language with no room for misunderstanding that describes both what happened and why. Then, clearly indicate whether user action is required or if the system is handling the event automatically. Next, apply visual differentiation, color, icons, hierarchy to signal severity and urgency of the message. Finally, test notifications in real scenarios to confirm that users interpret them correctly without guessing. That's it for now. Thank you for watching Markswebb channel, and let's keep working together to build better user experiences.